Here's my little grocery haul. I'm gonna make some stir fry. Here's everything I'm gonna be putting in my stir fry. Oh, plus I got some snow peas. But I really don't know what I'm doing. So kind of just, I cooked my broccoli down a little bit. I have my noodles done and I'm just gonna see what happens. But first we have to crack open a kombucha. Okay, my garlic, ginger, carrots, and bell pepper are all in there sauteing. I have a dilemma. This is the biggest pan we have, and it's pretty much already full. And I haven't even added my broccoli or my snap peas or my noodles. Guess I'll just have to like separate it out after this cooks down and then put it all together in like a big bowl. That could work. Here's how it turned out. It doesn't look too bad. I have not tasted it yet, but it's also very hot. To get into my closet to get all the way in there. I have to go in and then shut the door to get to the very back. Let me show you. So we're in my closet. This is the door. This is where I was just standing. If we shut here, there's all this other closet. And I can't get to it unless the door is shut. It's so annoying. And before you come for me, yes, I have a lot of clothes. And yes, I only wear the same clothes. It's a problem that I'm working on, okay? Let me give you a little bit of a closet tour of how I like to organize everything. So this right here is long sleeves, and then I color code it. And then these are all my sweaters and hoodies. Color code that. And then down here on the bottom I have my pajama sets, and then these are sweaters, like knitted sweaters, cardigans, and then jackets, dresses, tank tops, t-shirts, and then robes. And that's my closet. Yesterday was Monday and I drove down to San Diego, and then as soon as I got here I unpacked all of my things, cleaned the apartment, cleaned my room, and it was such a long day. I didn't record everything because I was like talking on the phone and I was just so tired. And I also did laundry yesterday, so a lot. And then I just finished my last load right now. Today I had work. I work at a coffee shop. I think I recorded a little bit, and then I went to Target. Got some groceries. I got a new planner finally because school started yesterday and I did not have a planner still. So I haven't planned anything out. While I was driving yesterday, I listened to the lecture. It was on Zoom, so I was just listening. And then today at work, I was able to do a discussion post. I'm only taking fundamentals 2 this term and then the lab portion of it. So it's honestly going to be such a light load this term, which will be nice because last term was a little bit heavier. We did fundamentals 1 and pharmacology. And then after I went grocery shopping, I just finished cooking, and that's where I'm at. So this is my planner from last year, and I loved this planner. And I found this year's version. I wanted this color again because it's like the sage green. And this one's like a more muted sage green. I don't know if you can really tell. Go with that. Yeah, do you see the difference? This one's like almost more blue, I feel. I guess I can just throw this one away. I love this one though, but oh my gosh. I don't think this one, oh, never mind. I was gonna say, I don't think this one comes with this little tab thing, but it does. So I'm gonna show you my planner to show you what I like about this planner, because this is honestly my favorite planner. Okay, so I love having like the big month like this. I always need a planner that has this, and a lot of planners don't. I also like this because it's like just things that I need to do throughout the month. I just like write in the columns, and then I'm always looking at this to like look ahead and see what I can start doing and make sure everything's done. And then I like having these like to-do sections, and then this section too. I feel like it helps me stay more organized. And that's kind of all there is to this calendar or planner. But then I love these little, like, how cute. And then it also has these. For a while, I was filling them out in the 2021, but honestly, I forget it's even here because it's like after the very last week. So I don't really use this page very much. But, and then, so this is just the cover for February, and then here's February. I also got these for Christmas from my boyfriend, and they're like little book holders, and they're so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with them. This one is just like open, it doesn't shut, but this one has like the nice zipper, and it has like the velvet inside, or that was like silk, and it's like velvet on the outside. This one's so cute, but so is this one. This is from The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue. It was a good book. So now I can take my books to school with me because I never wanted them to get ruined in my backpack. And that's why I asked for these for Christmas. Also, I'm going to dinner with a friend from my cohort. I'm excited. We're gonna go get Italian food. I think I'm gonna make like a plan with me video of me filling out my planner and how I stay organized for school. There's not really gonna be much in it, but whatever. I'm pretty much done with everything that I needed to get done before going to lab tomorrow, which it's feeling good. Now all that's left is I just need to fill out my planner, get ready, and then go to dinner. I'm about to leave to go to dinner with my nursing school friend. I just wanted to show you the outfit. I might take this jacket off. I don't know how cold it is outside, so hopefully I can wear just this sweater and take this off. Some jeans, and then I think I'm just gonna throw some sneakers on. Okay, I actually changed into white jeans, and then I'm gonna wear these boots. I feel like this is more the vibes. My shoes are from Zara. These jeans are from Abercrombie. This is from Zara, and this is from Urban Outfitters. These are all like really old pieces, so I doubt they even have them still, but that's where they're from if you're curious.